heading out on an expedition off-grid, wild camping, or taking part in the Duke of Edinburgh's award, then the Vango Helvellyn is the perfect tent for you. This cleverly designed tent features a versatile porch area for shelter and kit storage. The porch can be opened on one side or both, giving shelter whatever the wind conditions may be. If we look inside the tent, we can see the tough and durable 70 denier PU-backed ground sheet that's easy to clean and waterproof with a 6,000mm hydrostatic head rating. The bathtub-style ground sheet rises 10 centimeters up the side of the inner tent to give added protection against heavy rain out in the wilds. If we look at the style of the tent, we can see the sturdy semi-geodesic design which arranges the poles to give rigid triangular elements, which distribute stress and make the structure extremely strong whilst keeping the tent lightweight for backpacking adventures. This Helvellyn 200 model sleeps 2 people and has a trail weight of just 2.59 kilos. The pack size is 45 centimeters in length by 15 centimeters in diameter, in a fast pack bag with draw cord fastening and compression straps, and the tent is on the approved list of D/E award recommended kit. The tent can be packed away with the inner clipped into the fly sheet for quick, all-in-one pitching, which is just what you need after a long hike. It can also be used as a simple shelter by pitching only the fly sheet, a useful feature if caught in a spell of bad weather. It's fully wind and rain tested and ready to hit the trails. What's more, the price point is great value for such a versatile technical tent of this level.